Yo, what is up, my más dobles? Today, it is another free-to-play guide, and from what I have been telling people what guide to make in World 20 in the Grand Exchange, and that's where I'm usually at, they say to make mining guide, and I am going to make a mining guide. This is going to be short and simple because there's not stuff you can mine in free-to-play, and it's pretty limited from where you can mine, but I am going to tell you the best place to mine. So first of all, if you're level 1, you get to use an iron pickaxe. So if you do not have the tackle level, don't worry, you can always still use it, but you can have to keep it in your inventory, or you can also right click and add a 2 belt. But when you get to level 6, you can keep your iron pickaxe, or you can upgrade to steel pickaxe. I don't think it makes a big difference because steel is level 6 for mining and iron is level 1, and there's not a big gap, so it's probably not big of a difference, but you can always upgrade. So first of all, you want to mine 10 ore rocks in Barbarian Village. What the secret is, you get to bank these little ores, or you can always drop them. I'm going to show you guys the fastest way to drop them. There's this little combat bar all the way to the bottom of my screen, and it says, if you right click it, it says drop 10 ore. So basically there's a little blue box around it, and there's a little blue box around my backpack thing. So basically it says to press X and it will drop all these. So let me press X and it drops it. Usually it should drop the next one in line, but I don't think it's doing that now, but you guys can figure out how to work it. So once you get to level 21, you gotta move on to iron, and that's gonna be in the Dwarven Mines. If you don't know how to get there, I'll show you how to get there, and I'll fast forward a little for you. And we are here. We are underneath Falador, and there is another way you can come in, and it is from the east, and I'm going to show you how. So once you climb up these stairs, you'll appear east to the Falador party room. The party room is right there, and just go to the building to the right of it, and just climb down the stairs, and you can go straight. And once you go straight, you need 10 dungeoneering to get in this little entrance. And once you get in, you see this deposit box. You just deposit your stuff in there. But basically, you're mining from right here, these little iron ores. You just keep mining iron ores until you get all the way to level 66. You guys are wondering, why am I keep mining iron ores to level 66? It is because it's the fastest way to get your level up in free to play to level 66. Because if you mine gold or some other ores, it's going to take a long time and it doesn't spawn as fast. So once you get a full inventory, just go back to this little mysterious entrance and just deposit right here. And you just right click and deposit all iron ores. If you do not have 10 dungeoneering, you should get it. It's pretty easy to get and it's really quick. And if you don't feel like getting it, you can always mine iron ore in the little mining area in the desert. But you do have to drop it because the bank is pretty far. So the next part, once you get to level 66, but before that, don't forget, at level 41, you get to use a rune pickaxe, and that's the best pickaxe you can use in free to play. But anyways, once you get to level 66, you get to mine coal, and guess what? We are at the place. We don't have to go anywhere. So you do got to go back to the mysterious entrance. If there is a lot of people here, I do recommend going to a different world with less people. It should be a little bit easier for you. So in here, there seems to be a little bit of competition, but there's plenty of ores. So around here is coal rocks. You're just gonna mine these, and these should make a pretty good profit. So you would want to mine these with your rune pickaxe all the way to level 99. That is the fastest way for free to play, but if you turn into members, it's completely different, and it might be a tiny bit faster, but not that fast. So remember, once you get a full inventory, you go to this bank deposit box in the back. Right there. And you just deposit your ores. So basically, you're going to be living here if you want to get mining up. So that is my basic mining guide for free to play. And if you got any questions, like, comment, subscribe down below. And peace!